In this video, I'll show you how to change Snapchat avatar from male to female. So the step is simple to follow. First of all, now open up your Snapchat app. After you open Snapchat like this, go to your profile. After you open your profile, now go to this settings. In this settings, now scroll to down. Go to this Bitmoji. After you open Bitmoji, scroll to down and tap on this section. As you can see now, it is unlock my Bitmoji. So from there, tap on this remove button. So now allow it to finish loading. So now I remove the existing avatar. Now tap on this create my avatar. So from there now you can choose if your one is male, or you won't change it to female, or from female to male. Just go and choose. So I'll just choose this like male. Or if you want to just choose like female, you can tap on this create and choose the female that you want. From there you can now go ahead now and customize it. So after you just finish customizing all this information, tap on this save button. So tap on this save again. So now you can just go ahead and add the ounce of fitness. As you can see now, just go ahead and customize it again. After you finish customizing like this, tap on this save button. So now here is my avatar. So now if I go back to my profile, as you can see now, here is the avatar. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe.